Ever wondered what it takes to manage large-scale digital projects that shape the future of businesses? Are you ready to become a key player in the digital transformation wave? Introducing the GoLogica Digital Project Manager Program, a comprehensive training designed to turn you into a professional project manager who can lead digital projects across industries. From planning to execution, you'll master the skills needed to manage technology-driven projects efficiently. Our program offers you a deep dive into project management frameworks and tools, covering everything from Agile methodologies to waterfall techniques, giving you the flexibility to manage different types of projects. GoLogica in Digital Project Structured Curriculum will guide you through each phase of project management, from initiation to closing. Here's what you'll learn. Whether you're working on launching a new app, managing a website redesign, or leading a marketing campaign, this program will equip you to handle the challenges of the digital era. You'll learn to align projects with business goals and drive impactful results. What about career opportunities? Digital project managers are highly sought after, with job opportunities in IT, marketing, finance, healthcare, and beyond. Salaries for digital project managers can range from $85,000 to $130,000 per year, depending on experience and location. Are you ready to become a certified digital project manager and lead the digital transformation? Enroll in the GoLogica Digital Project Manager program today.
I transitioned from digital marketing to digital project manager thanks to the GoLogica exceptional training. The course provided me with the tools to manage digital projects efficiently, covering everything from project planning to execution. The practical approach and expert guidance helped me gain confidence in leading teams and delivering successful digital initiatives. Highly recommended for career growth.
After working in Agile, I decided to transition into a digital project manager role, and the training made it seamless. Their program provided a strong foundation in project management methodologies and digital tools. The practical insights and real-world scenarios were invaluable. Thanks to GoLogica, I am now successfully managing digital projects with confidence and expertise.